Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to protect your Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. Okay, I want to protect this Excel sheet. Just go on the review tab. You can see here the option protect sheet. Just click on that and just enter the any password. Those you have to remember it. Yeah, if you lost this password, you can't open your Excel sheet. Okay, I just select the two option and click on OK. Just re-enter the same password. Okay, it's protected. You can't edit it here. See, you can't edit it here. It's protected. If you want to edit again, just unprotect, enter your password and OK button. Now you can easily edit it. You can see here, easily edit the cell. Thank you. That's it.